Attention all Karachi Board Statistics students! If you're targeting the 2026 exams for Class 11 or Class 12, this message is for you. This is your official academic support from the stat4cs channel, and our goal is simple: to help you perform your absolute best on the statistics paper. For Class 11 students, make sure you go through the past paper I've already uploaded in the shorts section of this channel. Those questions are extremely important for your exam preparation. For Class 12 students, you must carefully review the Supplementary Paper 2025. It gives you a very clear idea about important questions, the paper pattern, and what examiners expect. Remember, statistics is a scoring subject. If your concepts are clear and you practice properly, you can confidently secure high marks. And here's the plan. Starting after this session, I will begin uploading daily lectures for both Class 11 and 12, covering important concepts, numericals, exam techniques, and past paper guidance. Stay connected with stat4cs. Prepare smart